Welcome. If you want to use split screen in your ULEFONE Armor X5, for the first you have to open the application that you want to use. So let's go for the Google Chrome, then tap right here, drag, and tap on this icon of the application, and then tap on the split screen. And from the background apps we can select the application, but also we can click right here and select it from the screen. So maybe we can open the calculator. Okay, this application doesn't support this mode, so let's open it one more time, the background apps. And I think we can go for the calendar, and yeah, this one is supported with this mode. So with this switcher you can also adjust the size of the application, and if you want to close, just swipe like that. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.